All right, here we go. Question number 2 from our 0314 homework number 6 in MyLab Math. The instructions say divide and simplify, okay? So the first thing that I notice is that I have a monomial divided by a monomial. Each numerator and denominator has 3 separate factors. And the first thing that you want to make sure of is that all the exponents are positive. Now, there's a couple of different ways we could attack this, but the way I like to teach it, let's make any negative exponent positive, because the exponents that are negative, they're not happy. They want to be positive. And if he is negative in the denominator, if he's unhappy in the denominator, then he wants to move up to be happy. So any variable with a negative exponent, if you move it to the top, it'll make it positive. Or vice versa, if the exponent is negative in the numerator, you can move it down to make it positive. So rewriting the problem, we're going to have negative 18 x to the 4th, x squared. Do you see that? The x to the negative 2 came to the top, and that makes his exponent positive. Y to the 3rd all over 15 y to the 6th, okay? So now that all the exponents are positive, now we're going to combine or reduce, okay? So we've got basically 3 separate problems here. We've got the negative 18 over 15 that needs to reduce. We've got the x's that need to combine and the y's that need to cancel. Making use of our calculator, we've got negative 18 over 15, which reduces to negative 6/5. All of the x's are up top. And remember, when you multiply letters, you add their powers. So that's going to make x to the 6th up top. And since we have y's top and bottom, we're going to ask ourselves which has more, and then how many more, okay? Which has more y's, top or bottom? Well, the bottom does. 6 is more than 3. How many more does he have? 3 more. 6 minus 3 is 3. So the y's are going to be in the bottom, and there's going to be 3 of those. Again, do you see how that works? Whichever variable has the biggest power when they're in a fraction, the numerator is going to cancel, and you're going to subtract from the denominator. 6 minus 3 is 3. And this is simplified completely. So we've got negative 6 x to the 6th over 5 y to the 3rd. Bam. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.